Welcome to Has Academy. Are you looking for results? Are you looking for a finished life as a product? Well, whenever there is a deficiency in the product, like you have a manufacturing unit and the product output that you're getting is deficient, what do we do in that case? We go to the place of manufacturing and try to rectify it. Now, where is the manufacturing unit for human beings? It is our thoughts. Your thoughts are going to generate your results. So if you want results, please take note of your thoughts. Wishing you happiness and success today. I hope this video is going to ignite your day today. Please share, like and subscribe for our channel so that you are getting everyday daily spark update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.